In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer email from one Google Workspace account to another. We'll use the built-in data migration service in the Google Admin Console, which lets you securely move Gmail from a source mailbox into a user in your organization. Before you begin, sign in as an administrator on the destination Google Workspace, and make sure you can approve a connection from the source mailbox. If pop-up blockers or multi-factor prompts appear, allow them so the authorization can complete. Start by opening the Google Admin Console and signing in with your admin account. From the home dashboard, look for the section labeled Data. This is where Google centralizes import, export, and migration tools. Open Data, then choose Data Import and Export to access the migration features, and select Data Migration. You'll arrive at the migration setup page. Choose Gmail as the source to indicate you're moving mail from a Google mailbox. Then select Migrate to begin the guided flow. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the source mailbox, the account you're moving mail from. Type it carefully so Google can request the correct permissions. When you're ready, click Request Connection. A new window or prompt will guide you through authorizing access. Approve the scopes so the migration service can read messages from the source account. If your organization enforces additional verification, complete those prompts and return to the admin console when authorization is done. Next, select the target account in your destination Google Workspace, the user who should receive the migrated messages. Confirm you've picked the correct recipient because the transfer will deliver mail to that inbox. On the configuration screen, review your migration settings. This is where you can refine what moves, such as setting a start date to bring over only recent messages and excluding trash or spam to keep the target mailbox clean. If you want labels from the source to be preserved, ensure those options are enabled. Take a moment to double check everything, especially date ranges and content filters. When your settings look right, click Start Migration. The process runs on Google servers, so you don't need to keep the browser open. Large mailboxes can take time, and messages will appear in the destination account as they're copied. You can return to the data migration page to monitor progress and see status updates. After it finishes, spot check the destination inbox for key folders and recent threads to verify the results. Keep the source account active until you've confirmed everything you need is in place. If new messages arrived during the move, you can rerun the migration with an adjusted date range to capture the latest mail.